Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Formula Auditing. Under the Formulas tab, we can see Formula Auditing section, where there are several functions. Let us look at Show Formulas function first. What this does is it shows the formulas inside the cells which have formulas in them. By clicking on this, we can see that the cells which have formulas are showing the formulas inside. Column B and column C do not show the formulas because the text in them was typed in. And clicking on Show Formulas again will take us to the original state. Another useful function is Trace Precedents. Trace Precedents and Trace Dependents will show us the dependencies and precedences of formulas. When I click on Trace Precedents here, the D2 cell is using B2 and C2 in its formulas. Similarly, for E2, it is using the cells D2 and I3. Let's remove the arrows and only show E2. Now you can see it more clearly. And when we click on any cell and trace precedents, if it is referencing to something which is not in this sheet, it will show dotted lines. Double-clicking on end of the arrow will show us the address for that particular cell. When we click on it and click OK, it will take us directly to that particular cell. Removing arrows, as we have seen earlier, removes all the arrows. Now let us look at Trace Dependents. When I select I3 and click on Trace Dependents, it shows all the cells that are referencing this particular cell. We can go ahead and remove the arrows to come to an original state. These are the handy tools in Formula Auditing. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.